What's going on, family? Today I'm on the job site. Just dropped off this other welder here, and I'm about to get ready to do some bumpers today. I got a lot of bumpers to do, pretty much. I think from here on down to the second ones where the plastic is. The first ones, I think they don't have them, but the ones on that side. So I'm starting here and going all down there doing that today. These bumpers are not light. These bitches are kind of heavy. You know what I mean? So I'm almost thinking like, shit, it probably would have been good to have one more person with me to hold these bitches up there. So I'm gonna see how heavy it is. It's easy. It's pretty much a 1/2 inch down, a 1/2 inch in is what you're keeping. So you can make your measurement, but they say they use fingers. Like, they don't even use the measurement. They just eyeball it and get it in a distance so that way it'll hit, because it's not stupid critical, but it's critical. You know what I mean? So you off 1/4 inch or something, it ain't gonna hurt nothing. So that's what I'm gonna be doing this morning, man, lining this out, getting things lined out. This is easy money, very easy money, in my personal opinion. It's not hard work. It's just work, you know what I mean? So, you know, I have some welders, they like to boast and brag. Oh, I'm out here on this so-and-so project, but they be on that project, but they ain't really making no money, you know what I'm saying? The company making some motherfucking money, but their ass ain't making no money. So the way I look at it, I would rather be doing something where I'm actually winning. It might be simple, you know. It ain't pressure-wise, which I can do that too, but a lot of times when you have to do certain jobs, man, you just have to kiss so much ass, man, and I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm not with that, man. I'm not with kissing ass for no check. I can't do it. It's too much. That's too much. You want me to do a damn good job and you want me to kiss your ass while I do it? No, I can't do both of them. You gotta pick. So that's just my personal opinion, you know what I mean? So y'all enjoy y'all day, man. Like I said, I'm trying to get this stuff untangled. I hate these damn leaves right here. That's why I like to keep mine on the reel. Well, you don't have to do this shit right here all the time. Fucking mess. But it is what it is. Hey, on this one, I'm getting paid by the hour. So it's all good. HogOn.